BCU in blockchain in Web3. It's what our community has dubbed us. I'm proud of that moniker for sure. We started back in 2022, the home team, Black, Brown, and Allied folks to learn and grow in emerging technology. And that's been the mission ever since. So we've been diving in. Some of my favorites, the blockchain side, specifically in blockchain, the NFTs, digital collectibles, the art side, where art and music and all that in crypto and in blockchain lives. That's my favorite for sure. But also the fungible tokens, so just all the currency side, the trading side, the DeFi, decentralized finance, and all that good stuff as well too. Starting with number 1 crypto coin, Bitcoin, number 2 Ethereum, all the way on down those 33 plus million coins and growing exponentially every day. It's a good time. Also, the other emerging technology that we dabble in heavily is on the AI side. AI has been having another crazy moment with the agentic side, or the agents or the bots that are able to follow multiple commands, build different things, learn and grow on their own, surf the web, search out documentation, build apps, code, all kind of stuff. It's really a whole vibe. And we've been learning and growing together as a community, and it's been a really good time. It's been pretty fruitful. I'm just Unc, you know? Yes. Back in the building. What's going on, family? How we feeling? Yes, W first. Nacho, what's good? I was having doubts you were gonna make it today. Oh no, we definitely. Oh yeah, Nacho. Nacho, you haven't seen any of the late night streaker keepers, man. Let's see. Yeah, like after Christmas, and what is going on? My thing here. After Christmas, man. New Year's week, the start of the new year. Yeah, the first couple 2 weeks, it was a lot of late night late night streaker keepers, man. So yeah, I can't stay too long. About to drive to the gym. Hey, W Gym, what are you working on, man? That's what's up. Shout out to the gym going in, man. I was getting it in this morning as well too. Back on track there. So that's been solid. That's all good. I appreciate you popping in, man. W first. That's big love. That's big love for sure. For sure. Yeah, man. So yeah, I had some things going on this morning. And then I just got back from the dentist. Sheesh, W dentist though. It's all good, man. As long as you take care of your teeth, you ain't gotta worry about the dentist. Take care of your body and yourself, you ain't gotta worry about the doctor visits, right? Type of beat. Just kidding. Shout out to the homies that's are afraid of the dentist, but they get through it the best they can. But that's what's up. Yeah. This morning was out doing doing some exploring, man. I'm Onaji B. I'm Brian, founder of Onaji and Onaji University. We started the community back in 2022 as a safe space for Black, Brown, and Allied folks to learn and grow in emerging tech, man. So we've been having a lot of conversations since 2022 just about tech. Tech, culture, music, art, all types of stuff, and it's been a really good time, man. Honestly, trying to work on cardio / stairmaster. 21 days till Europe. Got to be ready to walk like 20K steps plus every day when you're there. That's big time. No, shout out to you, man. He got that stairmaster cardio prep in there. No, I dig it. That's fire. Man. You about to be backpacking across all of Europe. That's fire. Dubs. Hate leg days. Yeah, man. It's all good. Man. Yeah, I'm not a fan of lifting legs either, but it's all good, man. Gotta do what you gotta do. No, I just went to the doctor recently, man. Just W adulting stuff. Had to lock in a primary care physician, getting old, y'all. But he was telling me, I was like, I'll be working out like 6 or 7, 5, 6 days a week. And he was like, that's cool. He was like, what's up with like the cardio and stuff? And I was like, well, need to go do the labs, get the meds refilled. Hey, do what you got to do, man. Don't put that stuff off. Nacho. You feel me? But that's lit. Nah. So yeah, my doc, the new doc, he's cool. Shout out to LA, man. But he was like, yeah, get some cardio in. I was like, how much? He was like, at least a half hour a day. I was like, all right, we'll see. I am good about getting my steps in here and there, all that good stuff, hitting the gym, throwing weights around, but I don't like cardio anymore. I used to like running a lot, but it's all good. All right, let me see if I can get a couple noties out. And we'll see what we can do. Let's see. I think I did it on this side. Nope, it's still just sitting there. Look at that. Terrible. Sometimes it's just the genetics. Work out every day, really ever drink vegetarian, but still high pressure. Wow, blood pressure, cholesterol, unfortunately, runs in the family. Yeah, sometimes some things you just can't escape like that. And it's all good, you know? It happens. It happens, man. Yeah. I gotta take care of some stuff that runs in my fam, you know. It is what it is, man. We can't alter what we're born with, but we can just play the cards we're dealt as best we can, you know? That's all good. All right, let me see. Get this all set up. 2 pills a day better than early death. Yeah, exactly. You ain't lying. That's the perspective we need. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Cool. Let's do that. Perfect. Let's do this. But yeah, Nacho, man, I was cooking up. I don't know if you've been in the court today. I ain't even busy, man. I've been cooking up left and right on this Claude code, man. I think I hit a major little breakthrough. And it's been so, oh, you know what? I just realized I did not do this properly. GG's there. That's okay. It's all good. I'm rusty. That's too funny. All right, let me boom, got this. Bang, bang. Shoot over on the other purple app, the Farcaster side. See what's up with the Arch homies. See who's in the building. See who's in the building. Let me see. Perfect. Send that out. I don't like how it does that though. Yeah, man. Tuesday later vibe. Meek is a coding beast. What y'all think about that, man? I love to see it. On my timeline, I've been seeing that man Meek Mill go crazy viral right now, talking about AI, Claude coding, GitHub. You know, he's diving into his little development journey, and I love to see it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I love everything about it. But you know, to me, a lot of the energy around it. Saw you posted something about Meek Mill, didn't get a chance to look deeper. Yeah, now he's capitalizing on it, you know, going in and he got posts left and right. Let me see. I'm gonna pull it up in just a second. I'm gonna pull it up in just a second, but it's cool. But I don't know. A lot of folks, he just learning and growing, man. You know, I'm telling you, it's a natural language. And we're gonna see more people, you know, celebs, people with followings, whatever, gonna dive into this tech. I think that's the point. That's the point, and that's the purpose, to be honest. You know, I guess I must have a different a mindset and understanding around natural language, you know. What's so bad for me because he got body by Drake. He didn't deserve that. Did he remember saying oof? Yeah. Yeah, Meek, yeah. 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 Got some bangers? Yeah, for sure. Shout out to Meek, man. You know, I've been following him ever since his battle rap days, man. He's a beast. But yeah, you know, uh, that Hollywood machine will get some of the homies. So that's all I'm gonna say on that. But I do love to see, you know, why he's going viral right now with the whole AI situation and all that good stuff. It's a good time. All right, got the caster up. Let's get one over on Palace real quick. Palace.app, you know, my new favorite desktop app for the Lens side, that decentralized Web3 social platform. The Lens, hey, Lens kind of going crazy. Najee, what's good? Z, how you feeling, my family? What's the word? How your interviews go? All that good stuff. You stream? Did you stream today? What's the word, man? What's happening with me? I know you've been busy. Hey, Z been killing it, killing it. Appreciate you holding me down yesterday too. I was going through the transcript, had my little AI bots with the transcript, all that good stuff yesterday. Appreciate you holding me down, man. Hey, had these schools calling me midstream. You know how it is. But no, I appreciate you because you was there. Didn't have to nuke that thing, and we can keep pushing. First guess was crazy. Did one live, didn't do the second. You all good. That's fine. Who was it? That's what's up. Nah, y'all been cooking. You've been cooking. Candy and Hurricane been going crazy on the Wave War side. I was chilling with them, kicking it last night with the on YouTube. That was a vibe. Louis was in the building, looking fresh. Jordan from Drift. Okay, I don't even know if I'm familiar with them. That's you cooking. I love to see it. All right, let's get this post out. Bang, bang. Is that it? Oh, maybe over on the little X side. Good to hear. Yes, sir. Nah, everybody's cooking, man. I've been sending out the little app I built today to a couple homies, and they're like, okay, it's just a little different, solving some problems. That's what it's all about. You got problems to solve them. Shout out to my guy JV, just went live too. Well, not just. That was 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago. Pop in, yeah, for sure. Come through. Meek Dreams and Nightmares, one of the faves. Yeah, Dreams and Nightmares goes crazy in the club. That's yes, absolutely. Now they got JV, Jaden Violet. He came through with a dope little master class, man. This little AI master class that was solid today. I'm not even gonna lie. So putting the homies on game, man. That's what it's all about. Each one teach one. I love to see it. All right, let me see what else I can do. Maybe I'll get a little threads one out. Maybe I'll get a little IG post out. I don't know. Everybody busy. There's some basketball games that are cooking up too that I'm missing right now. I don't know. NCAA March Madness been going in. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right, cool. So, all right, that's enough noties, I guess. Well, let me do one more. So, bang, bang. Let's go. Streamer threads. Love it. Yeah, Z, come on in, man. I'm about to pull up Meek's timeline, see what he's talking about. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Meek, he been spitting for a minute. Goes hard in the gym. That's what's up. That's what's up. Nah, I need to make a little gym playlist. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. All right, let's see. Let's see what he been cooking up. Share screen. Put that up. Bang bang. Let's see. Let's see what this guy, little Meek. Let me see. Heading out. Have a good stream. Appreciate you. Have a good workout, man. Getting right for the backpacking trip. That's fire. That's fire. Shout out to you, not show, man. Appreciate you coming through and stopping by real quick, saying what's up. That's big love, man. All right, so let's see. Yeah, see, and then see, look, all right, we gonna get into it. Let me see, man. Just people be trying to go viral and clowning. Exactly what I was talking about yesterday with the whole like pranking versus collaboration thing, man. Like, I'm telling you. But yeah, he's been going crazy. Yeah, let's see. And everybody's covering it now, all kind of stuff. All right, so yeah, started yesterday, really. Cloud's helping me organize my whole music career and other businesses in days, and moving my business forward at a high rate. Some tech young boy I met on LinkedIn gave me an incredible template. Who else can help me with Claude? Fire. 3.2 milli. That's what I'm talking about, man. Humans love celebrities, so hey, it is what it is. Then this one went crazy too. 4.2 milli. I need a GitHub too. Is it like that or not? I was like, that's fire. Yeah, I had to retweet it, quote tweeted, all kind of stuff, Not the fader. Grimes and Meek Mill have both made LinkedIn accounts, man. And people trying to level up out here. I'm not mad at it. I'm really not. I love to see it. Hey, Meek Mill reposting Claude. That's see, hey, would have never thought I'd seen it, but it doesn't surprise me, honestly. Like we're gonna see more people of all kinds getting onto this tech wave, man. It's inevitable. Can now enable Claude to use your computer to complete tasks, opens your apps, navigates your browser, fills in spreadsheets, anything you do sitting at your desk. Research preview and Claude Cowork and Claude Code, Mac OS only. I'm telling you, man, Claude Anthropic is kind of way up right now. Need a game developer to help me build the illest bike life game, like a Tony Hawk in the bike life world. I've seen games built like that, I imagined it years ago. I can do it connects me. I'm telling you, he's thinking big, man. And I love it. I love it. Oh, is he in the building? Let's go resume this in just a second. My guy, what's the word? Hey, good to see you, family.
Hey, gang. How we living?
Doing amazing, man. It's been a solid day, bro. It's been a solid day. How you feeling?
That's good. I briefly got a quick glimpse of Jaden's thing. I think I need to watch it back for sure. If especially if you say it's got
Yeah.
some good tidbits, I'll peek at it because I didn't know he was about that. I'm sure he is, but like,
Oh yeah.
and I'm sure a lot of people are using Cloud. I think I was just on the GPT wave because like that was the first, and I was using it so much that that
Yeah.
was what I was used to. So, but it's good to hear other people's workflows. I think the most powerful thing we can do in this like age right now is just teach others what we're doing and learn from others in like what they're finding successful, right?
Huge facts. Huge facts. Yeah.
But
I think
yeah, I was
and
gonna
we
say
and me and go ahead, go ahead.
I was just gonna say on the whole like it's interesting to see more people think about how we can use AI in our workflows, even though like it's always been applicable for the last 3 years, but now it's to a different level to where like people are like, oh wow, it is actually like magic, right? It's just
Right.
gotten better to the point where it can do more in one go and it feels a lot more consumer friendly to like not have to like fluster through like knowing exactly how to use it to like get something successful at the end.
Yep. It's just a crazy time, you know. And we talked about like that whole quote unquote magic feeling. It's like, and it's gotten that fast, you know, and the data sets are that big, you know, for better for worse, whatever. But you know what I'm saying? It's gotten that fast. The snap of a finger, we're able to do things that we couldn't do before, like drastically. And everybody can do it. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, and I've been seeing like a couple of interviews and different like podcasts with like some of those super devs and some of the people that are in, you know, like that are developing these tools. And even they're like shocked, like I don't know. Like I'm having a hard time grasping how to think about utilizing these tools. Like it's so different. It's so, you know what I'm saying? Like it's cool though.
Yeah, well, I would love to know more about your anti-gravity use.
Yeah, okay. Let's talk about it.
What when
It's
you
running in
open
the
up
background right now.
yeah, when you open up anti-gravity and start on a new project, where do you
Yeah.
start?
So now I've been so I kind of use anti-gravity as like an in-between. So today, what I have been doing is I have been using open router still quite a bit. I go in there. I've kind of transitioned from using some of the other models. I was using the NVIDIA model. That one's kind of solid too, for sure.
Really? I heard
It's really good.
I heard about it.
It's good with math and algorithms and like that
Interesting.
big. Yeah, like yeah,
Huh.
that kind of stuff. But Opus is still the goat when it comes to like planning the like coding things.
Yeah.
So I've actually switched over to Opus in Open Router and kind of doing the plan phase there, like the whole, you know, MD file or whatever, spit out the XML for me or the MD file for me, whatever. The planning stage, like this is your role, this is the task, this is the output I need. The output I need has always been like a XML file for my LLM in my IDE.
Yeah.
Like that's literally what I'd be saying. And then I just copy
And
and
so
paste that.
where are you putting it? It's just a
So
file on your computer.
I'm copy and pasting it. I'm not even
Oh,
yeah.
wait, where are you pasting it to? Wait, what?
So I'm taking that.
Not
It's just
having
like a
the thing make the file for you.
I'm having Open Router and Opus make an XLM for me. I'm taking that into Claude Code and Anti Gravity. That's where Anti Gravity and
I
Claude Code come in for me. Yeah, and then but before I'm doing that, I'm like making a folder and then and navigating to that folder in Anti Gravity like I would in like Visual Studio. That's
Do
how I
you
would
use
usually
the
do it like that.
agent manager? That's the place where I'm confused.
I don't like the agent manager. Sometimes I do. The only way that really comes in for me because I hit rate limits quite quick on there over there.
Okay.
I only use that really to like deploy.
And you
I
use
use that.
and you use open okay, that makes sense. And you use open router through anti-gravity?
No, OpenRouter.ai by just
Oh,
entering.
it's just on their website. Okay, interesting. Cool.
Yeah, so I mean that's been my flow, and it's been cool, man. And cooked up that crazy little, college joint today.
Oh shit,
Yeah,
that's not
man.
what I meant to send. I meant to send yours, but I built
There
this, and
you
you don't have to be logged in for
go.
it.
Ooh, let's pull it up, see what you got cooking.
So yeah, I'm excited to see yours actually because yours is going to be one of the more
All
full
right, let's see.
ones other than mine. So
Let's see. Share this
yeah,
tab instead. Perfect. Is that we on the screen? Bang bang. Ooh, we got here. Leaderboards, babe. No, I'm just kidding. Let's get it. Okay. Respect holder, ZID. Oh, ZID number 3? Shoot,
yeah,
who's 1 and 2? You and who?
Candy.
Ah, W Candy. That's lit.
Yeah,
Yes.
and then
This is very cool.
I think
What is
Hurricane
this from?
4
Is
and
this
then everybody's
from
gonna be 5.
what is this from?
That's Farcaster.
Farcaster?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
dang, I gotta
high.
unload.
It's higher because Farcaster mutes like
Oh,
auto
bot accounts and stuff.
purges pots. Yeah, and
Yeah.
this is like pure number.
Swag. Okay.
Yeah,
Interesting. I like that.
yeah, but you can
27
scroll through.
fractals.
Yeah, you can scroll through. It's probably more than that. I don't know why it's saying that. But you can probably you can scroll through that and like see. So like 70s, 60s, 50, and you can kind of
Oh, so it
scroll right
shows how
down
much I've earned and stuff.
in each one.
Oh, this is tight.
Right? It
Nah,
gives a
you
lot
could get
more visualization to like what it is, and it shows like what rank you got on the
wow.
left as well.
No, that's fire.
Yeah, and then the eventual goal is to
This
put
is
all the
this is
socials
backwards.
in
This is
yours.
backwards from our voting though, right? Like so it's like
No,
number
no,
one
that's
would be the
no. One is still one.
be really?
Sorry. Yes, level 6. My
I
apologies.
was like, because we got the 20.
No,
Yeah, okay.
that's
All right.
place. Level
Okay.
is yeah, you're right. It's inverse. We should
Okay,
switch
that's
that.
fine.
I have made a petition to the Eden Fractal team that makes sense, and they've said yeah, like they have run into their own issue.
Okay.
So maybe that's a good like proposal for you to put like just as a proposal, so like we can test it out as well.
In
That could be fun.
in ours or
You don't have
not
to do it
not
right
the
now, but
okay,
in general,
cool.
because that could be a great thing to be like, hey, let's change it, and then all I have to do is just change it on the
Okay.
Discord bot.
I can
And
do that from the Zao OS, right? Just the regular
yeah,
or
you
the
should be able
proposals tab,
to.
right?
Yeah.
This is so sick. I
Yeah.
love
I'm
this. I
excited
love
for
it
people to
good.
start submitting songs of the day. Once I get it going, that's gonna be the
Proposal
crazy
title.
goal.
Dang, I forgot where I was at. So that was the members.
Change level 6 to first top contributor. Just say I don't
Okay.
know, first to sixth.
Okay. What is it? Numbers for is it just weekly contributor? Contributor. Is that how you spell that? Nope. Is it contributor? It sure is.
I was
Contributor in what is it just members tab? Or just the whole what is that for? Like the whole I forgot where I was at. But you got it here. Cool.
in the
Members.
Discord tab. In the numbers for weekly contributors in voting,
What's
I
that
guess.
called?
I don't know.
In the the fractal history. Fractal history in the members. What is that called? Like section or I mean
Are you saying where you just were or when
yeah. That
oh,
part.
wasn't it there?
Yeah, it
Wasn't
was in
it
the
in
members.
first to sixth? Do you think I should change that to say level 6? Or do you think I should change? I'm saying I
Or
completely
just add it.
change. Well, I'm saying I completely change it so that it's like we're not saying levels and we're saying first top contributor, second
Oh
contributor, third contributor, fourth,
yes.
so that people
Yeah.
don't get confused. That's what I
Yeah, I
was
like
trying
that.
to propose. Right?
So you
Does
mean
that
like
make
weekly
sense?
when we're voting? Yeah, we're voting for that
Yeah,
number
so I
one first.
changed.
Yeah,
Yeah, I changed
absolutely.
the terminology in that there.
Absolutely. All right, then I'll change my
That's
proposal
what I
for
mean.
sure. But
Does that
yeah,
make sense?
yeah, most definitely. Most definitely.
Also, if you go
Yeah.
to the B and Z builds page, since we're both live right now, it does show it. So that's pretty cool.
Tell me how to get there?
Yeah, If you type B dash, it might work, but
Oh yeah, maybe not.
that's how I get to it. I get to most of my things through like it being a unique enough thing that I
Right.
can just Google it and then find it in like the top 5 things.
Let's see.
Or not Google
Oh
it,
wait,
but
wait. Hold on. Where are we
start
at?
to type it in.
Oh no, you posted it. Cool.
Yeah.
How come it's not
So I need to
popping in
add
my?
stuff into here though. So first off, I think I need to add our
Mhm.
images and logos. So that's why I messaged you at some point for this logo right here in the top
Oh yeah, I
right.
need to send that. I need to send that.
So once you send that to me, I'll update that on the website. And then at some
Oh,
point we need to
oh, this is sick. Okay.
add in things here. So like we
Perfect.
should just iframe embed things we've built and just keep scrolling down. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we should build a calendar, I think. Um, I don't know
Nah,
how,
this is
how you'll
hard.
do with it. I have a couple different ones that I need to pull in, but I think we should pop in a calendar on here. Also, you need to update your Twitch streams, your schedule, bro. It's so off.
Is it that bad? No, I'm just kidding. It is, huh?
I mean,
I'll
it
just do
doesn't have
just
your
a
11 a.m.
10.
Just turn on the 11 a.m.s every day and just have it there at least
Yeah.
because you also have the bosses Wednesdays and you also have
Yeah.
ours each Wednesday. And I imagine you had it for like the last few months.
Forever.
So
Yeah.
now it's more applicable, but
Oh, that's too funny. All right. Yeah, let's see. Let's go. Content. No, not in content. Shoot. I think you gotta do it from the page, huh?
oh, so you sending me the XMTP message was actually the first one sent on the ZOS. I didn't actually think it worked, and I was gonna scrap the XMTP thing at a certain point because it keeps on asking you. Well,
Wow.
for now, until like either I get better or put out a bounty and someone else does it.
Mm,
But it's just like it keeps on asking to authenticate. It's like weird. It's playing games with me. So
yeah, it's not there yet, huh? For everybody. Just as a
well,
tech, it's not there yet.
that's why I think I need to like really play around with open cloud because I think that there's value in building the skills there of like it being able to code for you and come back to you with requests. Like I
Mm.
do think that there is a crazy amount of value there.
All right, let's see. Building in public. Nah, you for real, bro.
Oh,
All
if you
right,
go
so
to the website also at some point, I added in the sofa trending feed. We have a month to show the value of having the trending feed in there as a
okay.
test run and I'm excited because now this is like the only way to get Farcaster stuff that's not in the Zao channels is through the trending feed.
Okay.
So it'll be interesting. It doesn't work perfectly though. So
Interesting.
let me see.
Talk shows
But
and
yeah, so you
pods.
know what I mean,
Cool.
right? Like, so you
And
just need to at least add the dailies.
all right, I'll do that. And then I wonder I can do Tuesday. Wait. Oh, I have to do one for every day. That's kind of lame. Maybe it'll whatever. Yeah, it's fine. We'll just do it like that. Yapping with
Okay, no,
B.
bro.
Go
What's
ahead.
the deal with the
What?
streaming software? I need this GitHub. I've been like fiending for that.
Oh, for me?
Yeah, what was the deal with
It was
that?
way off. It was
What do you mean, really?
I'm struggling. I'm still struggling in like multiplayer mode in the back ends and stuff. I yeah. I think just because you know what it is, there's not really any like free options that work well. There's not.
Yeah.
It's just hands down, there's not. If your build, your website is multiplayer mode,
You're saying,
you
yeah.
gotta pay. You know what I mean? So I'll figure out something. But but it's on the GitHub. You can fork it if you want. You can play where whatever, you know what I mean? Oh. Nah, I don't know.
I should
I
start
was
switching things more. I just usually just clone it, to be honest with you.
because I don't even know how close it was to being there. You know what I'm saying? We'll just do like an hour and a half. Once.
One of my
Arrange.
buddies just showed me a streaming, the second stream I was gonna have, but I just caught up with the homie. He
Yeah.
has a platform that's more IRL streams where you have a bunch of streams with GPS signal and coordinates. So let's say you're like out in New York City for NFT NYC, right? And there's someone that's at an event you want to go to, and they're streaming it live. You can pay to watch per minute to kind of get a vibe of the place, and then like
Yeah.
had to go over there or not.
Gotcha.
So it could be cool because like he's, I mean, at least figured out the live streaming aspect of it, so we could tap in with him a little bit more.
Cool.
And
Who
I
was
do
that
think
again?
that's a cool platform. John Blackwell.
Okay.
You might have seen him in the uh in the fractals at some point.
Sick. That's fire. I think you got all the homies tuning in. Let's see what we talking about. Yeah, over on the X side, huh?
Oh, really?
Gotta go say what's up. Yeah,
So I
yeah,
can't
for
see that.
sure.
That's the thing here.
Which
Interesting.
part?
Any of
Really?
that? Yeah.
Let me pull it up and see.
I mean,
Say a
I'm
little GM. Boom. That'll work. Big dubs.
yeah, no, I'm excited for what we got going here in 2026. I got 7 days here to finish up my quarter 1 big wins, and every time I've thought about it, it was like the last day. So like I got a little small list. So if you can
Yeah.
help me dive through some of them, that'd be great. Um, because like yeah, we've done a lot here in 3 months, which is pretty wild. Um,
Hmm.
it's kind of crazy to think that just like 2 months ago I was in India.
Right? It's gonna speed up even faster, man.
Yeah,
But it's
I
good
don't.
stuff. You're cooking. We're cooking. You're building like this right here. I was taking a cool little scroll. Yeah, man. Nah, this is crazy. This is crazy. Nah, I've been trying to do like the embeds and it hasn't. You're gonna have to show me your tactics. Or I'm gonna have to
Just go to
fork it
my
in.
GitHub.
Man.
You don't even have to go
Yeah.
to fork it, bro. That's the thing. You just tell Claude Code for to
Sick.
look at the repo and see how it did it, or clone it and then or fork it,
Mm,
and then see how it did it specifically and try and implement that. That's the thing, right? Like
got you.
that's the beauty of where we're at is like that's where we're going.
Yeah. I love
Is
it,
like people
man.
talking to their agents and telling them to look up things. So let's build an open source world where like especially if we build small features and stuff, document it really well. Like that's why documentation matters, because like when
Yeah.
we go back to all this stuff, there's so much potential for us to build some crazy stuff. So
Yeah.
yeah, so I'm gonna keep on building on this.
Cool.
If you have any ideas, feel free to always share. um
Absolutely.
Yeah, dude, I appreciate it. I had a good day for it. So, like I said, Jordan from Drift, that's the homie that I said created the primitive for like wrapped NFTs, where you could wrap the
Mm,
ERC20s into an NFT. But they're
yeah.
building a whole bigger. That was their MVP. So they're kind of, I think, in the next couple months here, starting to roll out their full platform, and it sounded really exciting.
It's
I'm
fire,
excited
man.
to tap in more with him because he's a big positive sum guy. Like that was the other thing. Like if
Yeah.
you watch
It's
back,
dope.
if you watch the interview at some point, it's he. It was a great like just like deep dive, especially on him because like I knew like he's a really goated builder and like a great just energy guy, but
Yeah.
like I didn't know more about his background, and it's just like hearing about him, hearing about Swarthy Hatter, some of the folks in here, it really gets to you to like be like, okay, yeah, like we are in the right place. Like everyone is kind of like got that experience of like where I want to be and like be building towards it, like with people around me, right? So
Yeah.
that's pretty. The people around me being and doing those kind of things is a cool area to be around. So yeah,
Yeah.
super blessed, excited, and
Heck
yeah,
yeah.
excited to see like more local things here. So hopefully in this next week we get some stuff moving on a couple cool things, and yeah, we got a
Cooking, bro.
logo for Zowstock. That's gonna be like the big thing of the year. So 4 out of 100 days, and that gets us to like just under 100 days till the event. So the big goal
It's
is
fire.
to like really showcase like what we can do with all of the different tooling that's available to us, to the whole community, and yeah, let's get it. Like 2026 is here, and like
It's
is your
here.
independence.
Build all things. That's like if you guys have ideas, if you have ideas, man, solve them. Problems, solve them. Like this is the time. You know, build in public. Don't hold on to ideas. Like because this the tech is moving too fast to hold on to ideas. You know, you don't hold on to it, and nobody's gonna be able to build on it. It'll be too late. The problems, ideas will change week to week.
100%. I also think there's like value in having one or two ideas and like really rocking with it at least for a period of 30 days.
Mhm.
Um, I think there's a lot of value in staying consistent for a minimum of about a month at one or two things because it makes a big difference in like adding it into your routine and then like doing it consistently for the rest of your life sometimes if it's
Yeah,
something that doesn't like take up willpower, right?
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, dude. Like, I should probably pop over to the Wave War stream.
There you go. Cool. Of
So I'm gonna pop in over there. Thank you. Again,
course.
let's keep cooking. Let me know what your next thing. Like, let's build something big. Like, do you have a game in mind? There's someone who sent me an open game engine that's
Of course.
friggin' cool. So
Yeah.
yeah, I'll send you the GitHub. You
Cool.
should definitely play with it.
Okay.
I made a little Wave Wars game. It's pretty simple, and like he has, there's a bunch of simple games already embedded in there. But like the fact that that's already there and you can build off of those,
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of power. So I'll send you the thing right now. But
Perfect.
yeah, dude, appreciate you.
All right, for sure. So it's good to see you keep cooking, man. Go crazy. My guy Z. Yes. Nah, I'm telling you, tap in. Better calls all on all platforms except just all on Lens or the Parkcaster side.
Podcast. Yeah, Lens is also better call all.
Is it? You been over there recently? Not really. A
I
little bit.
haven't been over there, but I've been posting.
Yeah. Little Firefly action. I've been on
No,
Firefly a bit too today.
bro, I
Something
spent
else?
a half day trying to get this lens authentication thing to work so that I could cross post. Right, it was just not working, bro.
Really? Okay. Well, it's all good. It happens. Dope. All right, man. Keep cooking. Keep cooking, man. I love it.
Yeah, I'll send you over this here when I get a sec.
All right, cool. Sounds good.
Okay, I'll catch you.
All right, man. Peace.
Peace. You can pop me down if you want.
Got you. No problem. Bang. Yes. Oh my God, he's cooking. I love it. I love it. Hey, the network's building, man. Proud of all the homies. We're going crazy. And it's a good time. It's a good time. Get our industry, RMAX. Okay, cool. For sure. Hey, shout out to you. Let's copy that. Put that in another little tab. Let's get it. All right, let me send this. Let me finish this. Let me finish my guy's proposal real fast. I like it. Love to see it. Weekly contributor sorting and fractal votes. Proposal to change our weekly fractal voting numbering from the current scale 6 down to 1 to a new ranking from 1 first place down to 6 sixth place to match Yappin would be no. That's no. I needed the other little website. Where'd it go? Members, yeah, to match members leader. Well, yeah. Perfect. He'll know what that means, I think. Should I put in governance or technical? Oh, yeah, governance is fine. Submit it. Submitted a proposal. What else you got in there? Was even awesome live JK charters, dubs. Is that today? Just now, yep. I love it. Oh, published already? Oh, okay. So I think he posted that from ZOS dashboard. Nah, cooking. God, I love it. I love it. All right, cool. Let me see. What's happening with my guy Z, man? We're building all the things. I love it. All right, let me go back over here. Let me see. We're talking about with this MEEK situation. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny. Need a game developer, help you build the bike life game. I think he'll get it done, Tell more than 1,000 people in the streets how to use a computer seriously as a child. Okay. Not a little rotten. Okay. All right, Meek. Losing the plot there, but that's okay. Um, and, your job won't be taken by A, it will be taken by Meek Mill using AI. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Not Jensen. No, I've been in deep talks about putting AI classes in public schools, underprivileged environments, Google, NVIDIA, Claude, X, Meta. Holla at 'em. I like it. I like this energy. Temple grad, Temple my hood too. Temple have any amazing AI programs? Yeah, see, we need this. Oh gosh, settle down, Pink. Nah, let them go. Let them run, man. Let them be excited about little Claude and AI and building things, man. It's gonna push a lot of people to look at it, and I think that's important. OpenAI not mentioned. OpenAI too. I'm crying. Breaking. Not Polymarket. I'm dead. Rapper Meek Mill reveals he's been using Cloud AI to organize his whole music career and other businesses. Cover all business controls, tracking royalties, locating money, finding red flags, planning, organizing user info, creating family office structure, business navigation. Waiting my whole life for tools like this. I'm not going to touch on that just yet, but I know exactly what Meek is saying in there. This is the most attention he's had since got out of jail. Yeah, well, so hey, cool. I mean, it's around AI. I ain't mad. You know, they're gonna try to make it look uncool when you access a place. My guy, I see through in the building. I'm weak. They're gonna try to make it look uncool when you access a place they know you will easily succeed in. I learned that in the hood. Yeah, cameraman, oh, he lame. Makes clothes, he's soft. Chase your dreams, dog. Trust me, I did it before. I get the message he's trying. He should have put all this in Claude. Just kidding. Clean it up. But it's all good. It's all good. What else we got? And then here we go with the trolling. Breaking. Anthropic has acquired Meek Mill's new AI startup for $1 billion, and he will become the VP of product for Claude. It's like, oh, I mean, based on comments, this thing's definitely going to get community noted. Yes, it's parody. Probably should have factored Netflix recent 600 million deal for Ben Affleck's startup, priming everyone to expect any AI celebrity deal. Yeah, you know what? Mm, yeah. Basically saying the rapper's not smart enough to achieve a real tech startup. LOL, soon I'm gonna find a long-term Meek Mill supporter that's successful in the tech space, knows my influence, value, and my thinking patterns. We gonna see. I always save these posts. Hey, you know what, Meek? I always save them too in my head, but it ain't that serious, but it is though. But I feel it, man. Like this is unnecessary. It's just trolling, capitalizing on the moment, and I don't need it. That's all. Then what would he say? And then he responded to this. I think clocking me. Um, Meek wasn't meant negatively, bro. First of all, you are in great position to win with AI. Have brand, specialized knowledge, and massive distribution. Would bet you find the right partner and get similar outcome to Ben Affleck selling post production AI tool to Netflix. You know what? Anyways. AI removes most of the barriers to learning. Those with the curiosity and ambition can change their communities with less friction than ever before. Facts, that part. I love it. That's the exact feeling I get. I've been working on the software for the criminal justice system for a year. Whole system software is outdated from many angles. I've been through it and I know it. Plus, it's a public hazard. So many getting lost in the system. Hey, Meek Mill might change the world with Claude. Don't. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And the Meek Mill concert. Anyways. Nah, he shouldn't have said all this. Let that dude. I don't know who Trung is anyway, by the way. I know all I need to know though. Cool. So yeah, man. Meek out here. He energized. He hyped up. I like it. I do like it. I do. I do. I do. We're gonna see more of it. Like this is Meek's, this is gonna be the first. Less is more with him. I mean, hey, I know Meek from his battle rap days. Ain't nothing less is more with them, man. Meek is a battle rapper. He gonna say what he wants to say. That's all. But yeah, too funny. Um, but yeah, we've been out here cooking up a cloud. I'm not gonna hold you. We have. I've been having a good old time with it. Actually, I got him running right now. What's he doing? Waiting for me to approve something, of course. It's all good. I see, man. How's your day going, man? Back in the building. What's the word? What's the word? We need to hit the lottery or something. What's up? Might have. Might have. See. Might have. Mm. But no, and this Claude Code joint, I told you all the other day, I was diving into the Anthropic certification or whatever, little free courses they put out. And the first little prompt thing that the dude shared, it was going in. It was really going in. And yeah, I like it. Where is it? So I had a little Claude Code build. And one of the things that the instructor do, I should get his name for sure, but saw it's in the chat. But after you had the build or where it's at, this is all he put in. Word for word. I copied it. Word for word. Not gonna lie. Run the benchmarks, identify the worst performing cases, use some profiling tools to identify the root cause and fix it. I'll be honest. I didn't know what was going on, or how Claude was going to interpret that, but I saw him do it. I tried it. And that, what's funny? I sent the same thing to my guy Shaw, and he said the same thing. What benchmarks? And Claude knows. we did all of them, the relevant ones. I don't know. I see through. You gonna have to explain to me what Claude is doing. No, Claude knows. Claude came up with them. I promise you. And then Claude went through my whole app, fixed every page, found some bugs, fixed the map. I'm like, what? And I kid you not. Yes, it did make some stuff up and did whatever. And it was a win. It was a big dub. It was a big dub. So, hey, the benchmarks, those big benchmarks, the ones we need. I don't know. Let's see. You know what? Let's go to a competitor. Let's go to a competitor and be like, yo, fix this prompt. It's trash. Let's see. Actually, I kind of want to do that. And then we go get up out of here. Let's see. Not a competitor. I'm weak. All right. Let's see how I should frame this. As I don't know, unbiased as possible. Let's see. Pull it up. Bang, bang. All right. A little competitor, but I'll be using them together, man. I'll be using the Google suites, suite of Google tools and Anthropic tools. I'll be using them all together. The prompt may not have done anything. It just saw a fix. It saw it fix it at the end and went to town. Yeah, yeah. You might be right. I'm gonna ask it, but I don't know. I think to run the benchmarks, maybe just took that keyword benchmarks, worst performing case, profiling tools, fix it, root cause, fix it. I don't know. To be throwing out the extra words like that. Rising up building, what's the word, family? How you feeling? Yes. W Rise. Rise is the coolest guy in here. Facts. Because a benchmark is a specific thing you would know if you had them. Late stream, yes, sir. What's going on? Sean, good to see you. Family, right on time. We're talking about these benchmarks, man. I've been amazing, Rise. I've been amazing, bro. Streams have been going amazing. This is what not episode, yeah, episode 173, just yapping away. Day 219, I think, man. How have you been, though? Everything's been solid this way, man. I can't complain. Can't complain at all, man. Big dubs, man. Yeah, it's been solid. But yeah, I've been really locked in on the 10 a.m. PST stream time. I've been really kind of doing that consistently, except for today. I had some things to do in the morning, but Yeah, then I had a dentist appointment, all the good stuff. So we here rocking. We here rocking. Probably about for like, 10 more minutes or so. But yeah, shout out to the homies. Um Z, let's see. My guy Z, do do you want me to cut your destinations or what? Let me know. I just noticed that's back in there, but if not, it's all good. Let me know. Let me know. Oh, let me get these cons back up. Perfect. Um, but yeah, Shaw was talking about the thing that I showed you about, uh that's that prompt that I got from the dude's class, the anthropic class, and it was working for me today. Not gonna lie. So, but now IC3 has the same questions you did. Like, what benchmark? What is it doing? So that was funny. Shout out to y'all. Um, okay. So let me see. Let's pull this back up. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Got it. All right. I have this prompt for after I make for after I make something in my ID. How about that? That's fine. But it's pretty trash, don't you think? I'll preface it. How can we clean this all up? Uh, let's do it like well, let's just do it like that. Boom. And then we're just gonna put in the quotes so it knows. That's probably for after I make something in my ID, but it's pretty trash, don't you think? Let's see. Until you've proven the prompt works in different scenarios the same way with the same result, I wouldn't put this much in it. And I'm going to keep trying it too. I'll let you know. I'll let you know on the next build and next build and next build. If it doesn't do what it needs to do, yeah, I will definitely let you know. Let's see what the competitor says. Initiating day now. Even asking that doesn't help because there's no context. It will just make up a response to not everybody hallucinating. Hey, hey, yeah, well, it's not exactly trash, but it definitely leaves way too much room, has no context for the prompt should be. You love you some context. Hey, there is none. The context is raw. The context is raw, just floating organisms connected to each other electronically in a floating ball rock through a vast void of nothingness. Just kidding. Not exactly trash, but it definitely leaves way too much room for an AI. Context in the sense that it relates to something. If it relates to nothing, you get hallucinations. Mm, yeah. To guess what you actually want when you're directing the code rather than writing it line by line. Vague prompts usually result in there it is. Yeah, I see through said it. He the AI. In the AI hallucinating a fix, breaking something else, or using a profiler that isn't even configured in your environment. There's a way to work with this tool. I'm just trying to explain that. Hey, W explanations. I love it. See a good result. Hey, I see through, man. You got to start. You got to do the Claude Code certification, man. Because hey, you in there. To get good results when you're vibe coding, you need to give the agent a specific role, define the constraints, tell it exactly what the output should look like. Here are a few ways to clean this up. All right, here we go. Here we go. Depending on how much control you want over the process, director's cut. Use this when you want the agent to do all the heavy lifting but require your sign off before it changes any actual files. Execute the existing benchmark suite for this module. Generate a brief report identifying the top 3 worst performing functions based on execution time and memory usage. I kind of feel like this is what it was doing because it pulled up something. I'll show you. Actually, I'll pull it up in the Discord. W Discord. Where is it at? Little tech squad. We're trying to figure out what is the worst performing part of your project. Is that probably what I should have just said, huh? I mean, never mind. You don't get what I'm saying. All good as long as you have fun, I guess. What are you saying? You said I'm just trying to explain that there's a way to work with this tool. What you have to give it the context. But I mean, in regards to how I was using the prompt, it has the context. The context is the conversation of the app that I had built. So I mean, I feel like it would know that, or no, I'm giving too much credit to the bots because it's like it's in the asking Gemini the question you just did is not going to do anything. It's just more. All right, cool. All right, well then I'll just go show y'all. Let me show y'all the thing then. How about that? Just wasn't trying to leak it. You feel me? Um, I could just go into the thing and ask it what benchmarks or how it interpreted that prompt. I guess. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. You're making my RAM prices. You ain't lying. Me and Meek. Let's get it. Let's get it. You ain't lying. I'm sorry. Sorry, Shaw. Using the word benchmarks is making it all kinds of weird. I wouldn't have thought to me. Okay, I get what you're saying, but I didn't bring up the benchmarks word. The dude teaching the class did. So now you gotta let me know if I should keep watching this class or not. Because what homie sent me, it was working. 4 Claude Code projects. That's what I was confused about when you texted me. All right, W y'all. W y'all. Well, let's fix it on up there. Rewrite that prompt then. Ooh, big dubs. Yes. Oh, look at special delivery. That's what I'm talking about. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Yes. All right. So, um, okay. Well, hey, we gonna take the other dude job. I know it's not you, but you keep using it, even though I only used it one time. I used it one time. You're just telling me it is weird, even though you keep saying we are telling you it is weird. What? I used it I no, not keep using it. I used it one time and then told both of y'all that it had worked. Sheesh. And now I'm telling the stream that it worked. But shout out you, the devs, the super devs in the space. It's like, nah, that ain't it. Cool. I'm not this guy. All right, anyways. So let's go back. No, I'm gonna go see because we're gonna investigate this together. I'm not, he says. That's the truth. He's not. He's not. All right, let's see. Anti-grav, open folder. Let's go back. I think, yeah, let's open this. And by the way, let's talk about this. So the other day when y'all was making fun of me, because now we're getting defensive, because you was making fun of me talking about these projects should only be megabytes, and that's not what's eating up your space on your hard drive. That was not true. I went and deleted those files, and they was like 1, 2, 3, 4 gigs. Not lying. I am not kidding. But I already had known that because I was watching the bars fill up on my hard drive. But benchmark to me is when I want to see the performance of my machine for a game or something. Are you looking to run performance numbers? I think that's what it did, but let me stall. Let me get into there and ask it. Okay, so I got this. All right, so I'm gonna just say it again. I sent this prompt over earlier. That's doing too much. What y'all talking about? You have node module folder or something? Usually that takes I don't know. I would say no. I don't know. Maybe. That's why that's usually on get ignore files. I mean, possibly. Maybe. Send this prompt over earlier. my gurus are saying it needs context and it's weird. What did you actually do after this prompt? Here we go. Here we go. Boop. All right. Honestly, you're gonna be weak. I wish I had this on the screen. It said, honestly, nothing. You sent that prompt and then immediately followed up with the school colors question. Oh, what? No, really? Oh, okay, that's good to know. So you sent that prompt and then immediately followed up with the school color question, which redirected the conversation. I never actually ran any benchmarks or profiling. Your gurus are right that the prompt needs context. Run benchmarks for the React app could mean several different things. Bundle size analysis, how big is the JavaScript being was the JS? Runtime render performance, how long React takes to render 147 cards, filter changes, modal opens. Lighthouse / Web Vitals. Y'all probably, Shaw, you might know these. LCP, FID, CLS scores. IC3, you know those? I don't. Interaction benchmarks, measuring specific slow operations like filtering or map load. Before I do anything, let me ask what feels slow to you in the app right now. That's more useful than running generic benchmarks. If filtering feels laggy, that's a different fix than if the initial load is slow. If nothing feels slow, the bundle size analysis is the most actionable starting point. I feel like it did that because I was reading a little bit while it was going, but if you want me to just run everything and give you a full report, I can do that too. I'd build the app and analyze the bundle with the visualizer already wired. No, it did that in the vite.config.js. That's what I was telling you earlier about Lighthouse. Audit the React component tree for unnecessary re-renders, missing memo, unstable references. 3, check the data files for anything loading synchronous. It'll tell you what part of your site or web app is taking the longest and largest files to load. Got you. Just say the word and I'll run it all. No, I'm cool. I'm cool. It works fine. It works fine. That's a dub. Okay, cool. So hey, y'all, hey, do your own research and take a grain of salt to some of these prompts, even from the official training modules too, man. You know, no, shout out to my gurus going in. Shahrukh Khan and IC through. That's what's up. No, you guys are goated. That's a dub. That's a dub. That's a W little late little stream. I dig it. Cool. I'm still trying to, for me and my prompt approach, man, I'm still trying to shrink them on down, but I'm just a wordy guy. Just a wordy guy. That's what it is. Cool. Hey, W stream. W Shaw. WI. WZ coming through, man. It's good to see you. W Rise. Hey, the coolest guy in here, man. Big love. Appreciate y'all. Nacho, my guy, stopped by earlier. I dig it. That's fire. I'm gonna get up out of here and I'm gonna go eat. I'm hungry. What y'all having for dinner, man? What y'all eat today? What you guys have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, all that good stuff? What's the word? Bro, what is up with Bill Gates buying up all the farmland and trying to push fake lab grown meat? I don't know. 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 Hey, Mr. Gayton, he's trying to set up AI data centers. Mm. Don't know, man. We'll talk about it tomorrow. Let me do a little research and see. I don't know. That's wild. Convince everyone that this is a good thing for animals. You know, I'm just a regular, ordinary guy. He be coming up with him and his friends be coming up with interesting problems to solve. And are they problems? Maybe, I don't know. Problems for him and his friends? I don't know. That's crazy. Look it up. Got approved. See you in the grocery store soon. Sheesh. Catch me at there. Never mind, I'm not leaking my spots. Not just yet. Not just yet. You guys are good. I appreciate y'all. We're gonna get up out of here though. We'll talk about that tomorrow. 10 a.m. PST. We'll be back. No, not there. Maybe there. They might be all right, but maybe not. They wanted those spots, but no. I'm talking about the homies. The homies here. Feel me. All right, y'all. Onaji B, founder behind Onaji University, man. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I hope you guys learned lots, man. I always do every stream. What's good, Nacho? You still on it? You still on the Stairmaster? You getting it in, man? What's good? Buy some halal meat. Okay. Dubs. Big dubs. Hit you in the Discord. Did you see short? Oh, yes. We'll talk about that tomorrow as well, too. I did see that. Yeah. Hey. I was never too big on that though, thank God. Yeah, it was, yeah. Crazy that shutting down or crazy that was the thing. Because to me, it was like crazy that was the thing. They tried that. I don't know what they were doing. I don't know. I'm not in those rooms, man. Most worthless app ever, bro. Yeah. All right, gang. Yappin would be 173. Amazing. My guy Z came up as well too. I don't care for the app, but this is a bubble pop indicate. Is it? You think? I don't know, Nacho. I think that one was no. That one was doomed from the start, man. We seen that and was like, what? But hey, maybe not. It's all good. They got JV's put on a masterclass today. He was talking about video and all that good stuff today. So I just doing bad period. Exactly. Yeah, that too. Wasted billions on it. Hindsight always 2020, but that one was like a pretty big. Yeah, this is not a good idea at all. Nobody wants this. Literally nobody wants this. But I guess they found out. All right, gang. We out of here. That'll be good. Catch you tomorrow. Late stream. I dig it. You guys came through. It's big love. I appreciate y'all. We're gonna get up out of here. Y'all have a good rest of the night. See you in the morning. GG's. Yeah. See you in the morning. 10 a.m. PST. W stream. Nah, you guys are goated. I'll be in the back channels in the Discord. Come through the Discord, man. We'll be popping over there for sure. Learning lots. Learning too much. I dig it. Building public, y'all. We out here. All right. Peace.